In Japan, the hand can be used like a knife. But this method doesn't work with a tomato. Introducing the new patented Ginsu 2000, the legend lives on. This Ginsu is more clever than a cleaver. The high-carbon steel blade can rip through ribs or destroy the most challenging chicken. Nothing is too tough for the Ginsu 2000. But look, use this edge and it's a precision carving knife. There's more, a third cutting surface, and this one is non-stick. It's more than amazing. It's a Ginsu. Cut through a tin can, the Ginsu 2000 can saw a lead pipe and still slice a tomato like this. How much would you pay for this exclusive new Ginsu? Don't answer because you also get 6 legendary Ginsu steak knives. These double serrated blades treat any steak like it's restaurant prime. But wait, there's more. We'll also give you this Ginsu paring knife for delicate cutting, plus this fruit and vegetable knife that can go through a nail and still never need sharpening. You even get this Ginsu utility knife. Now, how much would you pay? Well, the knife of the 90s is priced like the 70s. You get the Ginsu 2000, everything, all 10 superior quality knives backed by our famous 50-year guarantee for only $19.95. The legend is back. Genuine Ginsu at a genuine Ginsu price. Get your legend now.
Have your credit card ready and call toll-free 1-800-767-1600 or send $19.95 plus $4.95 shipping to Ginsu 2000, P.O. Box 7137-P, Buffalo Grove, Illinois.